Hey Dickie, this is Paul Heck with Grassfire Digital Marketing. Just wanted to send you this quick video showing you some things about the Asphalt Doctor website, what's going on right now, and look at some of your competition, some of the things that I see out there that could be, just potential for you guys. The thing that I'm looking, like I said on the phone, I'm looking at the content on your website. This is what Google's looking for to rank you high for anything that anybody's searching for. Content on your website has to be keyword rich. So those keywords are the actual terms that people type in to search for your services. It has to have a specific amount of backlinks that are coming from other websites that link to yours. Google is passing that power through those websites to yours by using those backlinks. And then the third thing are citations. This is your name, address, and phone number for the company listed on online directories. And those three things will help push you up in the search ranking for what Google is ranking you guys as, because they're trying to match you up with like who's the authority in the area that I want to recommend to someone who's actually searching for your services. So I'll jump into your site right now and just show you some things. So I've got the site pulled up and just looking through. You've got some nice images on here for sure. There's just not a whole lot of content. And that's something that we need to change and really add to your site to pick up some of the search terms that people are looking for. If I type in just like asphalt contractor, I've got a couple of guys running sponsored ads. There's a Double Down Asphalt. It looks like they're out of Southern Missouri. You've got Smith Paving and Seal is also running Google ads. Google ads are something that people are actually paying to be at the top of the page. We run those ads all the time. I could definitely help you out with running ad campaigns if that's something you want to look at to try to get at the very top. You've got also Action Seal Coating that is also running some ads as well. Then you've got the Google Business Profile section where if this Action Asphalt is running a sponsored ad in that Tomlinson, ACO, and then Action Asphalt is all coming into the top of the map section. So want to definitely get your Google Business Profile pushed up in this section so that people can find you guys. The third area is the organic section. So right now Yelp is pushing the first page. You got FayettevillePaving.com and you've got this Action Asphalt Seal Coating again. They are actually taking the place 3 and 4 PaveCon. I don't even see you guys on the first page of Google. So if you're not on the first page of Google, really nobody's ever going to click on your website just because they can't find you. So that's something that we want to get changed for you guys. I'm going to look at what your website is doing right now. So I've got the Asphalt Doctor pulled up in here, and let's look at what you're being found for. The strength of your website is very, very minimal. So you've got 0 on your domain rating. We like to see this upwards in mid-teens to mid-20s, trying to push that up by just building specific backlinks. You've got a URL rating of 2.7, again, super low. You have a couple of backlinks on your site. They're coming from 6 different places, 6 different backlinks, but your site's only being found for 2 keywords. If I look at those keywords, it's basically your name. So again, nobody's going to find you because Google can't even find you guys right now to rank you. If I look at this Action Asphalt, Action Seal Coating, then you'll start to see, let's see, that's Fayetteville Paving, Action Asphalt. You can start to see the keywords that they have popping up on their page. I'm going to go back to their overview real quick. Not strong at all on the domain rating. This is something that's very easily beatable to push up in the search rankings. A 9 on the URL. They do have, a number of backlinks from several different locations, 19. But nothing of significance, because if these were significant backlinks, these numbers would be a whole lot higher. Now let's look at the keywords that they have. They have content on their site that talks about asphalt seal coating near me. Of course, this is a national keyword because it doesn't say like Fayetteville, Springdale, Northwest Arkansas, or anything like that in it. But 450 people search for that a year or a month online in the United States. Asphalt painting may not be what you guys do. Parking lot seal coating, that may be something you guys do. 100 searches a month. These are, again, national. So I'd have to look at something like a concrete sealing service. Maybe that's what you guys do. Concrete sealing, concrete restoration, that's probably not it. Seal coating and striping, that might be something. 100 searches a month. Concrete seal coating service company, Springdale. would be something that might, want to pull up for. Pavement striping, that may be something that you guys want to pull up for. But you can see there's just a lot of different search related to asphalt. Now, your particular search is not going to be, just because of what this shows me, is not going to have Fayetteville, Springdale, Northwest Arkansas in the name. But putting that in the name will help someone in Fayetteville, Springdale, other areas in Northwest Arkansas find you guys, because Google's going to match up their location where they're searching from with the keyword that's on your page and start to rank you for that. So definitely want to go after that search. Now, I've got this other FayettevillePaving.com also popped up in the top. This looks like a lead generation site to me or something. I'm not sure if this is a real company, but they are getting probably some calls just because they rank so high organically. And they've got some content on their website, which is helping them do that. It's probably one of the main reasons they're ranking. Looking at their profile, again, not strong at all. Should be able to beat them with a little bit of ease. 10 backlinks coming through 10 referring domains, and they're not getting picked up for a lot of, hardly any keywords. So those were the two companies that really popped up when, I'm looking at what's your competitors, and really just not a lot of competition. So you can do some things to get your site to rank in those top positions. We definitely want to beat that Yelp page too. Do you want to run Google ads up here? Possibly, if they don't cost too much. Might be something that we look at doing as well. Let's see, on the other thing I looked at was like concrete, as concrete driveway being something that searched for. This company, this 479concretefortsmith.com pulled up. You can see Complete Concrete of Oklahoma. That's probably a company name. Rogers Concrete, still not a lot. Bentonville Concrete, you can see there's some search related around that. 90 searches a month for Bentonville Concrete. Maybe we have that keyword on our page when someone's looking for that, because maybe they're also looking for the asphalt option as well. Something that we should definitely consider in the content on your site. But that's what I'm seeing right now for you guys from the search standpoint. Again, it's a little bit hard to quantify just because it's more national keywords and like near me keywords. So as far as like being able to tell you exactly how many calls we think we can expect to get, it's going to be a little bit harder to do, although we know there are people searching for your services in Arkansas and in Northwest Arkansas. So we'll dig into that further when we start to build a proposal for you guys and look at what those exact specific keywords that we want to rank for are. But that's what I'm seeing right now. Definitely let me know what you think about the video, this approach, if it's something that you guys want to explore. And we can definitely help you guys get some more online business coming your way in 2025. I appreciate it. My name is Paul Heck with Grassfire Digital Marketing. Talk to you soon.